What we're talking about is this. People like to live off their interest. Your biggest fear in retirement is running out of money. So you think, wouldn't it be nice if I had a nice pot of money, if I could just live off the interest and not touch the principal? Just hold on a second, because you're not taking into consideration inflation. My clients, many of them are retirees, and they've given money to family over the years. They've saved over the years. But what kills them is that inflation has eroded their money, their buying power, so much that they really don't have enough money anymore. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have $1 million portfolio and you can get, let's say 4% for 30 years. You're not going to touch it. That means $40,000 a year, plus you're getting your Social Security. But I'm just going bare bones here. In 5 years, you will need $46,300 from that portfolio to pay for $40,000 worth of goods and services in today's prices. In 10 years, you'll need $53,750. That's the problem. Even just a 3% inflation rate erodes buying power. And this is why financial advisors like me don't recommend a portfolio of strictly living off of just interest or even just dividends.